If healthcare reform is considered the maturity of the country's healthcare system, then these might be its ugly growing pains. New complaints reported to the FBI reveal outbreaks of crime around the country, a backlash over healthcare legislation. Windows were shattered at 4 Democratic offices in New York, Arizona, and Kansas. A congressman's family threatened in Virginia. And party leaders say at least 10 members of Congress have reported some sort of threat. Top lawmakers condemned the threats and vandalism.
The vast majority of the American people look to us to provide the manner in which differences in our society ought to be resolved.
The anger hit a boiling point over the weekend, with some lawmakers being called derogatory remarks and others spat on. Some lawmakers who voted on the health care bill are receiving threatening phone calls and letters. Police and the FBI are investigating those cases. Legal experts say these cases could be described as domestic terrorism.
We are seeing a real explosion, not only in anger generally, but in the number and activity of extremist groups in this country.
If you already have insurance, this reform will make it more secure and more affordable.
On Thursday, President Obama flew to Iowa to promote the health care law. He has his work cut out. A USA Today Gallup poll shows many Americans are still divided over health care reform. 49% said it's a good thing. 40% think the bill's passage is a bad thing. 11% had no opinion. The majority of those who answered split down party lines. The White House believes that once things settle down, Americans will embrace the changes in health care. Meanwhile, President Obama will be traveling the country, trying to be the catalyst for calm. Colin Campbell, Washington.